From Adventurous Norse. Yes, sis, mauna ilang grounds nga no na denied ko. Plus, kay Sarami nag-meet. Okay, sis, I'll just gonna share this, ha? Because I'm not aware na may chances din talaga na madi-deny kahit nag-meet na. And it still need strong ties. This is an awareness. So, I can advise somebody else then na they really have to have strong ties. Strong ties yun yung reason na uuwi kayo ng Pinas. I don't get it kasi yung fiancé visa, it's a long stay visa. So bakit hinanapan ng strong ties? For awareness na lang, dapat na okay, merong strong ties and at least proof of relationship siguro na stronger proof para makapasa for fiancé visa. I do have list for proof of strong ties, possible proof of strong ties if you need more or if may mga situation ka dyan na yung need mo talaga umuwi ng Pinas, i-PM mo ko so we can check if we can find a way na magagamit mo yon para dito na umuwi ka. I'm still really confused but it's just so sad. Anyways, if you need help, you can check katong mga list nako proof of strong ties na ko list sa past videos na nakoy list ana. And if you need more advice, PM na lang, i-PM ko. And then sa kaisa ra mo nag-meet, my god, they're really strict then. I also have list for proof of relationship. This is one of my fears na yung kahit na nag-submit na ka ng papers para sa kanila hindi enough. So for me talaga, it's really best to give them lots of proofs. Gaya ng ginawa ko 2019. From 2019 to recent, talagang nagtiyaga ako na mag-print ng chats. I really submit thick papers sa proof of relationship lang yan, ha? Kasi kahit nagkita na kami ng once, matagal kaming hindi nagkita ulit eh. But even siguro kung nakita kami ulit, I will still do that. Because they will really try to find what's wrong. Yung unting grounds lang para ma-deny ka, there are consuls na ganyan ka-stricto. Depende na yan sa hawak ng papeles. But, you know, I'm really sorry to hear and I hope you'll be well soon.